In this step-by-step tutorial, learn how to resolve the frustrating no audio output device is installed error on your Windows 10 PC. We will walk you through troubleshooting methods and solutions to get your audio working again. Say goodbye to silence and hello to a fully functional sound system. Watch now. To fix the no audio output device is installed issue in Windows 10, follow these steps. Step 1. Right click on the Windows Start button and select Device Manager. Step 2. Expand the Sound, Video and Game Controllers section. Step 3. Right click on your audio device and choose Update Driver. Step 4. Select Search automatically for updated driver software and follow the on-screen instructions. Step 5. If updating the driver doesn't work, right-click on the audio device again and this time select Uninstall device. Confirm the uninstallation. Step 6. Restart your computer and Windows will automatically attempt to reinstall the audio driver. Step 7. If the issue persists, visit your computer manufacturer website or the audio device manufacturer's website to download and install the latest audio driver for your specific model. Step 8. Restart your computer again and the audio should now be working.